Handling a large data, especially when it runs into thousands of rows and columns, can be really challenging. Can we take help from ChatGPT on how to handle it? Yes, we can. Just ask ChatGPT like this. I have a large data set that runs into thousands of rows and columns. How can I simplify and handle it with ease with some advanced Excel tools? There you go, with some solutions. Now I can explore these solutions one by one, asking ChatGPT how each of them can help. Excel has in store a big list of add-ins that we can use to power up the analysis. I can ask ChatGPT like this to learn some of the top add-ins. Show me 10 most popular Excel add-ins. Now I have the list. I can ask ChatGPT to explain how each of them can be used with an example. If you are a regular Excel user, Excel shortcut keys can be very useful to save some time. I ask ChatGPT to give a list of Excel shortcut keys. Show me the list of shortcut keys in Excel. So ChatGPT has given a list. I can take a print and stick it on the wall above my laptop so that I can refer to it whenever I need.